Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the display brightness on TREZOR Safe 5. To do it, go to the settings, now go to device, then scroll down until you find customization, and you can find display brightness. If you click on change, you'll be able to change it on the device by swiping horizontally, just like that. So set it to whatever feels great and tap below the adjustment bar to continue, then tap to confirm, and now tap to continue, and the brightness was changed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.